We've absolutely loved our stay here, and we wish we were staying longer. We were only here for one night, but we would really like to come back. And it was my birthday today, and I got a surprise birthday cake. Thank you so much.
And the staff have been so accommodating and friendly. I just can't believe it. And it feels really authentic here. And we've stayed in some pretty flash places, but this is really, really nice. And we just walked down to the restaurant. Breakfast was beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all of you.
All of you.